Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm reviewing the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum, a powerful cleaning machine with matrix clean navigation, voice control, and a 60-day XL self-empty base. It's great for homes with pets, carpets, and hard floors. I went through real customer reviews, and after each one, I'll share my honest takeaway. Let's find out if the Shark AI Ultra really lives up to the hype. One customer said, "Wow, I can't believe how well this vacuum works on both carpets and hardwood floors. Setup was super easy. Mapping rooms on the app was simple and it's quiet. The only noise is when it empties itself. Even my cat loves following it around." That's exactly what Shark does best. Effortless cleaning and pet-friendly operation. If your pets usually run from vacuums, this one might surprise you. The quiet design and smart mapping make it perfect for busy homes. Another user left a long, funny review talking about all the updates and quirks they experienced. They said it cleans really well, but sometimes struggles with small things like Dorito crumbs or yarn. They also mentioned that setting up with Alexa and Google Assistant can be tricky, but once it's running, it handles the house impressively well. That's a fair point. The Shark AI Ultra is feature-packed, but smart home integration can be hit or miss. Still, the powerful suction and navigation make it worth it, especially if you like automation. Someone shared that they've been using it for a while and love how well it maps rooms and handles rugs. The app lets them clean specific rooms, and the vacuum even navigates tight spots without falling down steps. The only small issue, it sometimes takes different routes each time. That's common with AI navigation. It learns and adjusts over time. The fact that it doesn't fall off edges and handles rugs smoothly is a big win for safety and reliability. Another reviewer mentioned that setup was easy and mapping the house was surprisingly accurate. They loved that the robot handled thick carpets and pet hair without clogging. However, after months of use, they said it sometimes struggles to empty the dustbin and needs manual help to restart cleaning. That's a very honest experience. Like most self-emptying vacuums, it's not 100% hands-free. But Shark's reliability and cleaning power still make it one of the best options in its price range. One buyer said, "It arrived well packaged and works great once you get past the initial Wi-Fi setup. The app is easy to use and I love that I can name my vacuum. I use it every day now. It's perfect for seniors or anyone tired of heavy vacuuming." That's a great summary. Once you set it up, it becomes your cleaning buddy. For daily pet hair, dust, or small messes, the Shark AI Ultra really does save time and effort. After reading all these reviews, my honest opinion is that the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum is a smart, powerful cleaning solution that's especially good for pet owners and large homes. It's not perfect. Setup takes patience, and you may need to clear the dustbin occasionally. But once it's running, it delivers a deep, reliable clean every time. If you're interested, check the link in the description.